Road traffic authorities express their concern about the high record number of fatalities on South Africa's roads. And the retail price of fuel drops by between 13 and 15 cents per litre. I'm Richard Brooks. Road traffic authorities have expressed their concern about the high record number of fatalities on South Africa's roads. The death toll now stands at 1,207. More than 1,500 drivers have been arrested during the festive season. Traffic volumes are expected to increase as motorists head home today. Authorities say drunk drivers involved in fatal accidents will be charged with murder. Deputy Minister of Transport Sindiswe Chikunga.
Indeed, we are concerned. No country can afford that. Not South Africa, not any other country. It's too costly for the country. It's too costly for the families. We really are concerned. And the reason is drinking and driving. Drinking is a common denominator to all causes of fatalities on our road. Whether it is overspeeding, somebody is overspeeding but is under the influence of alcohol.
The retail price of fuel has dropped by between 13 and 15 cents per litre at midnight. The price of 95-octane petrol decreased by 15 cents per litre and 93-octane by 13 cents per litre. The cost of diesel decreased by 27 and 28 cents per litre. The price of illuminating paraffin decreased by 17 cents per litre and liquid petroleum gas by 9 cents per kilogram. Petrol 95 ULP octane in Gauteng now costs R11.86 a litre, while at the coast it will cost R11.51 a litre. The task team, which will look into the quality of matric certificates, has started its work. The team, composed of education experts, will be comparing the certificate with countries in Europe, Africa and the BRICS group. There have been complaints about dropping standards, especially because the pass mark is too low. Here's Basic Education Department spokesperson Panyaza Lesufi.
They will receive presentations, they will receive papers, they will visit communities, they will engage with education stakeholders. It's a groundbreaking exercise. You must recall that it will be for the very, very first time after 18 years of our democracy that we are reviewing the standard of our matric. So it's not an easy task, and it has to ensure that it complies to relevant legislation.
The South African Civil Aviation Authority has sent a team to investigate yesterday's plane crash that killed 2 people in Phalaborwa in Limpopo. Johan Horn and Herbert Hanneke, 2 senior officials at Foscor and PMC mining companies, died when their light aircraft crashed during takeoff. CAA spokesperson Pindiwe Gwebu.
The investigation takes a bit of time to conclude, and we do suspect that in such a case, normally it does take more than 6 months to conclude the investigation because it involves several aspects that the investigators have to look into. Included in those is the fact that since there are people that died in this crash, we will have to wait for the post-mortem results. So what they would do is that they would, in certain instances, take parts from the aircraft and send them for testing.